Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the fatal error failed to connect with local Steam client process in Counter-Strike Go. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the Steam menu. Click on Steam and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam configuration options where we can adjust some important settings. In the Settings window, look at the left panel and click on Interface. This section controls how your Steam client behaves and interacts with games. Now, locate the option that says Client Beta Participation. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and select No Beta Chosen. This ensures you're running the stable version of Steam rather than any experimental beta builds that might be causing conflicts with Counter-Strike. After making this selection, click Restart Now to apply the changes. Steam will close and reopen automatically, so give it a moment to complete this process. Once Steam has restarted, navigate to the top menu and click on Library. This is where all your installed games are listed. In the left panel, find Counter-Strike 2, right-click on it and select Properties from the context menu that appears. This opens up the game-specific settings where we can make some compatibility adjustments. In the Properties window, look at the left panel and click on Installed Files. Then click the Browse button. This will open the folder where Counter-Strike 2 is installed on your computer. In the upper right corner of this folder window, click on the search bar, type .exe and press Enter. This will filter the files to show only executable files. You'll see Counter-Strike 2 listed. Click on it first, then right-click the .exe file and select Properties. In the Properties window that opens, click on the Compatibility tab. Here's where we'll make some crucial changes that often resolve this connection error. Check the box beside Disable Full Screen Optimizations. This prevents Windows from interfering with how the game runs. Next, check the box beside Run this program as an administrator. This gives the game the necessary permissions to connect properly with the Steam client. After checking both boxes, click Apply first to save these settings, then click OK to close the window. Now try launching the game again to see if the error is resolved. If you're still encountering the same issue, don't worry, we have a couple more solutions to try. Go back to your Steam library, right-click Counter-Strike 2 again and select Properties. In the left panel, click on Installed Files, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process checks all the game files and replaces any that are corrupted or missing, which can sometimes cause connection errors. Give it a few minutes to complete the verification process. If the problem persists even after verification, close Steam completely. Then, locate your Steam shortcut on your desktop, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. This ensures Steam itself has full administrative privileges which can resolve deeper connection issues. That should fix the fatal error and get you back into Counter-Strike. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.